Login failed on Albert Wealth Fix. You open Albert to check your investments, savings or cash account, and suddenly you're hit with login failed. Most people assume they have entered the wrong password, but here's the surprising truth: that's rarely the cause. In most cases, it's a simple syncing or security issue that can be fixed quickly. Start by testing your credentials directly on the Albert website or app. If you can't sign in there, reset your password and confirm your email. Albert enforces strict security standards, so even a small password change at your bank can disconnect your account here. If your credentials are valid, close and reopen the Albert app. Then check your internet connection. Unstable Wi-Fi or VNAS can cause encrypted requests to time out. For best results, use a secure and private network. Next, make sure the app is updated. Outdated versions can't communicate properly with Albert's servers or link banks. Visit your device's app store, tap Update, and relaunch the app. If your account still won't connect, one of your linked institutions may have changed its security settings. Go to the Accounts section, select the one showing an error and choose Reconnect. When you re-enter your bank login, complete any verification steps such as two-factor codes or security questions. Also, check your device's system settings. If permissions for security, network or storage are restricted, the app may fail to authenticate. Finally, if nothing works, it could be temporary. Albert's banking partners sometimes perform maintenance, pausing third-party connections for a few hours. Try again later. Most users report their logins restoring automatically. So the next time your Albert Wealth login fails, don't stress. Quick reset, reconnection, or update usually does the trick. You'll be back to managing your savings, investments, and smart money insights in no time.